Within you lies a dormant giant, a force capable of shaping your reality and propelling you toward success. This force is not physical strength or intellectual prowess, but something far more profound: positive thinking. It is the unwavering belief in yourself and your ability to overcome obstacles and achieve your dreams. Positive thinking is not merely wishful thinking. It is a conscious choice to focus on the good, to see opportunities where others see roadblocks, and to approach life with optimism and enthusiasm. When you embrace positive thinking, you tap into a reservoir of untapped potential. You begin to see the world through a different lens, one that highlights possibilities instead of limitations. Your mind becomes a magnet for success, attracting opportunities and solutions that were previously hidden from view. The power of positive thinking lies in its ability to transform your thoughts, beliefs, and ultimately, your life. Positive thinking is often misunderstood as simply putting on a happy face and ignoring the challenges of life. This is a simplistic and inaccurate view. True positive thinking acknowledges the existence of obstacles, but chooses to focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. It is about reframing negative situations into opportunities for growth and learning. Positive thinking does not require you to deny the existence of negativity. Instead, it empowers you to approach these challenges with a proactive and solution-oriented mindset. It is about believing in your ability to navigate through difficulties and emerge stronger on the other side. The benefits of positive thinking are not merely anecdotal. They are deeply rooted in science. Studies have shown that positive thinking has a profound impact on both our mental and physical well-being. When we think positively, our brains release endorphins like serotonin and dopamine, neurochemicals associated with happiness, pleasure, and motivation. These chemicals not only elevate our mood, but also have a positive impact on our physical health, reducing stress levels, boosting our immune system, and even promoting longevity. Positive thinking is not just about feeling good. It is about creating a physiological environment conducive to success and well-being. History is replete with examples of individuals who overcame seemingly insurmountable obstacles through the sheer power of positive thinking. Oprah Winfrey, who rose from a childhood of poverty and abuse to become a media mogul and philanthropist, is a testament to the transformative power of positive thinking. Her journey was fraught with challenges, but her unwavering belief in herself and her vision propelled her forward. Another inspiring example is Helen Keller, who, despite being deaf and blind from a young age, became a world-renowned author, political activist, and lecturer. Her story demonstrates that even in the face of unimaginable adversity, the human spirit can triumph when fueled by positive thinking and an unyielding belief in oneself. Section 5. A brighter outlook, a brighter day. The impact of positive thinking extends beyond extraordinary achievements. It permeates every aspect of our daily lives. When we approach our day with a positive outlook, we are more likely to experience joy, gratitude, and a sense of fulfillment. We are better equipped to handle stress, build strong relationships, and navigate the inevitable ups and downs of life. Positive thinking does not magically erase challenges, but it provides us with the resilience and mental fortitude to overcome them. It allows us to see the good in every situation, to find the silver lining in every cloud, and to approach life with a sense of optimism and hope. Section 6. Cultivating the seeds of positivity. Positive thinking is not an innate trait. It is a skill that can be cultivated through conscious effort and practice. The first step is to become aware of your thoughts. Pay attention to your inner dialogue and identify negative thought patterns. Once you are aware of these negative thoughts, you can begin to challenge and reframe them. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek out positive influences in your life, whether it be through books, podcasts, or spending time with optimistic and supportive people. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on the good things in your life, no matter how small they may seem. Section 7. Navigating the shadows. It is important to acknowledge that negativity is an inevitable part of life. There will be times when we face setbacks, disappointments, and challenges that test our positive outlook. During these times, it is essential to remember that these negative experiences are temporary and do not define us. Instead of dwelling on the negative, view these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Extract valuable lessons from these experiences and use them to become stronger and more resilient. Remember that even in the darkest of times, there is always hope, and a positive attitude can illuminate the path forward. As Section 8, Thoughts into Action. While positive thinking is a powerful tool, it is important to remember that thoughts alone are not enough. True transformation occurs when we translate our positive thoughts into positive actions. Belief without action is merely a dream. Set goals, create a plan, and take consistent action towards your aspirations. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and view setbacks as temporary detours on the road to success. Remember that every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals.